sweet.
I'll pick you up at 7:30.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Wow, I gotta hand it to you there, Clover. You sure are persistent. Davy? Davy and Davy? Yes, I love Davy. Me too. I can't believe you finally took to name. It makes it real. Yes, because the stomach and the massive ankles are so ambiguous. Does Jackson like it? Well, he didn't do with the stomach, but the massive ankles freak him out. Her name, Davy. It was actually his suggestion. Really? He wanted Davy if it was a boy, and Colgate if it was a girl. Colgate? His great-grandmother's name. Great-grandmother Colgate. Yep, that's horrible. And of course, she looks like a Colgate. At least you know it's going to be a boy. Yes, but he doesn't know it's going to be a boy. I realized that he has to know that I thought Colgate was an insane name. But if I didn't fight him on it, it must be because I knew we weren't going to have a girl, and then he would know we were going to have a boy, and that would spoil everything for him. So I told him, you're not naming our daughter after your toothpaste. We had a big fight. No, we're not talking. Cool. I know. Everything's perfect. My baby has a name, and my husband's sleeping on the couch. Oh, and I figured out that I'll go the Avery Snow for you. Is that okay? Because I know it's a little more expensive. Your kitchen decision. Okay, good. Nothing. It's the Avery. It's too fast. No, Avery's fine. Everything's fine. You sure? I'm sure. Natalie knows my mother. Emily? Yes, because she did her second floor remodel a year ago. Oh, so she really knows your mother. They've been shopping together. It's a bond. Vicky, I don't know if I... Well, I know. He knows my mother. So what? Vicky, my whole life, my whole existence, my essence, my being, my ability to be an expressive creature standing here before you, all of this depends on complete and total separation of my life from my mother's life. That's how it works. But we like Natalie. We do like Natalie. Remember all the other design agreements that we didn't like before Natalie? Remember the one that wanted to have a mannequin in every room so that the lonely people would have someone to talk to? Yes, I do.